Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to boost your network strength and fix your weak signal in your POCO F8 Ultra. So at first, in the very beginning of this video, you have to remember that this phone is quite new and it may have some bugs in the software, as for the 2nd of December 2025, of course. So remember that this may just be a bug, software bug, but we can fix the issue easily. At first, have your phone unlocked. Then scroll here to from the top right corner to the middle, so that you can see the control panel, and tap this display icon to enable the airplane mode and disable it right after. If you don't see it, wait a moment. If you don't see it, tap edit and find it here and tap plus to add it. Then this tick icon, and now you'll be ready to go. Apart from that, what I do recommend is to move physically to an area with the better coverage. It's because when you move to the area with better coverage, of course, it's maybe difficult for you if you live outside of the city or just in a block of houses. I know that it may be difficult for you, but it's of course the best way to fix your signal. Apart from that, if you feel the worst signal ever during the calls, tap on the settings, then go straight to the mobile networks, and now tap on your SIM card. Here, as you can see, we have SIM card settings, and tap preferred network type. Select not prefer 5G, tap prefer LTE. Now, if you do feel bad that this is the better thing for you, leave it on the 4G LTE. But if you don't think that this is good for you, tap again 5G. Of course, you have to detect if it's better for you in your area, better or worse. It depends, of course, on the area. Apart from that, you can tap make calls using Wi-Fi and enable it, and use Wi-Fi to make and receive calls whenever possible. It's because you will use Wi-Fi, which is always the best, instead of the mobile data, which is actually cool. And apart from that, you can just contact the carrier to check for any outages that may occur. Actually, very common. So don't worry, it may be not your issue, it may be just the issue of the carrier. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.